Alright, so this is the Weigh My Truck CAT Scale app. And the first thing it's going to ask you to do is put the CAT scale location number. This is the location number. Okay, it's going to be on every scale. Alright, so right here they're just going to show you exactly where you are. And you're just going to put the location number in. Click accept. Then you're going to put your tractor number, your trailer number, and the commodity. That populates automatically. Hit accept. Alright, the fee is gonna be $12, but it don't look like that, but you'll see it. Right here it just shows you the steer, the drive, and the trailer axle and the gross. Click done after you're okay with it. Alright, so we done made it out here to Galesburg, Michigan. Supposed to drop this trailer in H31. And it didn't take long to get up here from Napoleon, Ohio. I did come through a lot of toll roads though. A lot of tolls. I think it was like 4 of them, 2 in Ohio and then 2 in Indiana. Boom. Alright y'all, so we're gonna go out here and eat fresh and get us some Subway. I just need to get this mask on. Let me get this mask on. That I got, baby. We get lettuce, tomato,
American cheese, American cheese,
spinach, and pickles. And mayo. Alright y'all, so that right there is me getting in and out of the truck when I was picking up this trailer a while ago. So I went in Subway, got me something different. Got me a little barbecue sandwich right here. We're gonna see what this like. Don't judge me y'all, I never got a Subway sandwich, you know, barbecue ribs, whatever from Subway. So I added a few extra things. She told me they suggested, you know, pickles, lettuce on this sandwich. I didn't really know what to get on barbecue because I ain't never, you know, had it like that. But I'm open to new things. So we're going to see how this tastes. If I can get it open. That's what that looked like. I know some of y'all probably like, ugh, nasty. Hey, I ain't scared to try new things. We're gonna see what this barbecue do. Well, this is what's left of the sandwich. So y'all can imagine how that was. Woo, baby. Subway did good with that. Alright y'all, I was just showing y'all the CAT scale app and what's going on with me. Thank you for watching and subscribing. I'll catch y'all in the next video.